Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Make sure your account is verified and two-factor or phone confirmation is active because the guard ties to account security. Once done, open the app or desktop settings and navigate to your profile. Choose Edit Profile. Tap or click your profile photo and select Change Picture. Make sure the image is clear, squarish, and under the platform size limits. This avoids rejection and speeds activation. Now you continue inside Privacy or Profile Picture settings to find Profile Picture Guard. Toggle it on, and the interface will show a preview with shield or watermark. This prevents downloads and sharing. You should review visibility. Choose Public, Friends, or Custom to limit viewers. Once selected, Save Changes. The system may prompt for a password or 2FA. Enter it. This is why security setup mattered. The guard attaches to authentication to prevent unauthorized changes. Finish by saving and verifying the guard is active. Check from a second device or an incognito browser to confirm the photo cannot be downloaded or shared. If the feature doesn't appear, clear cache, update the app, or sign out and sign back in. The guard often requires the latest client. If settings revert or you see errors, take screenshots and contact support. A single troubleshooting tip. Restart the device after updates, because cached binary.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.